Like, look at this beautiful thing right here. What's up, guys? We're here with the best bike ever. Wait, actually, no. Alright, guys. We got everything set up. We're about to go open this box now, and we're gonna really just get into it. Alright, guys. We just got the wheel unboxed, and there's also gonna be a battery set up in here. Alright, guys. We successfully got it out. This is the battery, pegs, kickstand, some reflectors, another peg, and then this toolkit right here. Alright, what's up, guys? This is the first official look on the bike right now. It's basically built already. We just gotta put on the pegs, put in the battery, unstrap it, and put on the front tire. Wish us luck. We're gonna be documenting this. Alright, guys. Box is completely unwrapped right now. We're about to take off these little shocks right here, and it's coming out soon. What's up, guys? This is the first official test of the Freego Nova 5 Pro. We're gonna be taking on some speed tests, range tests, and also a lady check. Let's see. We're gonna see what they think about it. First off, Freego Nova 5 has amazing features with just it automatically starting in park, that just prevents you from just turning it on and just sending it flying. To get out of park, there's a P button, then boom, you're in power, right? And then it also has reverse. To activate reverse, you hold down park, and then you'll see an R pop up, and then you just reverse, and it's pretty useful for situations where you just need to, like, you don't have too much room to turn, like, you have too much room, and you just like hold down reverse, and then you prevent a lot of just extra work. Like, especially if you're feeling lazy, this bike's amazing. It's packing 15 kilowatts peak power, and then just 8,000 all around. So this bike packs 15 kilowatts peak and 8 kilowatts just all around, having stock LBX power and just eco mode. That's absolutely crazy. Eco mode, and you can keep up with traffic perfectly fine. 45 miles per hour in eco mode. Let me bump it up to XC for you guys. 63 miles per hour. That's what we hit in just that short burst. This bike is amazing. Like, I have the suspension to the very loosest it could be right now, and it's still fitting me perfectly fine. It comes stock with the front and back KKE suspension. Insanely cushy, insanely fast, and also the brakes on this bike are just amazing. Just a tap is enough to lock up the wheel. I'm going so fast, I'm like worried my mic is gonna fall off. It's looking hella windy where I'm at. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. If you want to support me, please like and drop a subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, please. Because I plan on posting lots of content. I don't know if you guys can hear that the best, but yeah, my wheel just locked up just from me tapping both the brakes. The brakes are insanely dialed on this thing. It's perfect. I need to find a straight street just for me to do a flyby, and that'll be probably towards the end of the video. But this bike is insanely good for just everyday use. This is the bike that you could take anywhere. It's not massive, but it's not small either. So if you guys are looking for a slightly bigger bike, this is the bike. You could take this almost anywhere, and it doesn't take crazy space, and it has enough power for you to street ride in it. And very well. It has 3 levels of regen. I forgot. Yeah, this thing has regen. The regen is insanely good on this bike. It slows you down good. It low-key hits you like a brick sometimes. It's perfect just for stopping, and also it gives you back some of the battery. That's just another pro of this bike. Insanely dialed. It has a light, and hopefully later in this video, I'm gonna be out late enough to where you could see the light in action, because the light is insanely good. It's just normal light. And then there's you activate just a stronger version of it. There's lots of variations of what the light could be. If you want to check out this bike, use code 48B at Freego Bikes. It gives you $200 off for both the Freego Nova 5 and Freego Nova 5 Pro. Let me pull out a little bit more so I can see. I almost got hit here. This place is genuinely terrifying. Well, of course, always be careful when you're riding in the street. You gotta be insanely careful of just no matter how good of a rider you could be, you could still get clipped by someone just because of them. It's entirely their fault, but you still get hit. Like, just be insanely careful, please. And yeah, this bike on the sidewalk is still perfect. Like, it doesn't take that much space up, and it's actually, like, I've had a bike bigger than this. Like, this bike sits like kind of short, but like it's actually like perfect size for me. I'm 5'5", and this bike fits me really well. I'm 5'5", 125, and like this bike is like perfect. Like everything's stock, just amazing. Of course, if you want to tighten the suspension, since it's a higher end suspension, you could choose to like tighten it. So if you prefer tighter suspension, like you can do that with this bike because it comes stock with KKE. It's so crazy to think about because like hella people get KKE suspension on their bikes as a mod, and this just comes stock with it. This is basically just an entirely built bike for $4,400 using my code, because it's 46, but using my code you get $200 off. It will be 44. Check it out on freegobikes.com, please. If you want to support me, use that code, or just drop a like and subscribe, please. I'm about to be at the girl's house, and we're gonna see how the backpacking ability and just like the overall pulling ability this thing has. All right, guys, what's up? We just got the pickup. We're gonna be backpacking, and we're gonna test the overall just rideability of the bike with 2 people on it. And so far, it's good. Suspension, even though the suspension is still set as stock, it's still working good. So yeah, guys, this bike has an insanely long seat, so it can easily fit 2 people's back, and its power can handle it can handle way more than 2 people backpacking on it. Everything about this bike can handle 2 people at the same time. Hey guys, I'm basically home now. I'm like 2 minutes away from home. After this ride, this is the first official ride. It was absolutely amazing. Carried through, hella fast, hella torque, and just great for backpacking. Check this bike out using code 48B at freegobikes.com. That's number 5 and number 5 Pro.